An implicated person in the Madlanga Commission was found dead. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Viandre Pretorius was a 41-year-old from Ekurhuleni, Gauteng. Now, media reports describe him as a former police informant, a police reservist, and a man with deep ties to private security networks. Now, at the Madlanga Commission late in 2025, a man known as Witness D dropped a name that changed everything. Now, that witness was known as Witness D. His name was Marius van der Merwe, and under oath, he said Viandre Pretorius was linked to the brutal torture and killing of Emmanuel Mbenze in April 2022. Now, according to testimony, Mbenze was illegally interrogated, he was tortured, he was mistreated outside the law, and later found dead, and his body was dumped in a dam. And Pretorius was named as one of the men involved, not just in torture, but in disposing of the body. And then in December 2025, the man who named Pretorius, known as Marius van der Merwe, was gunned down. This was a targeted assassination, and South Africans watched in shock as a key commission witness was silenced. And still to date, there hasn't been any arrests. And fast forward, on the 5th of February 2026, outside his home in Boksburg, an unknown gunman opened fire on Pretorius' vehicle. 16 bullets. 16. Now that was an execution attempt. And fortunately, Mr. Pretorius survived, and later police opened an attempted murder case. And this suddenly led to everyone connected to the Madlanga Commission look over their shoulders. Even Cyril Ramaphosa publicly warns about the danger facing witnesses and informants, because the message is clear: you talk and you might be unalived. Now, just 2 days after the shooting on the 7th of February 2026, Mr. Pretorius was found dead. The police say he shot himself at a petrol station in Brakpan, and it is said that it was after a personal dispute with his partner, who, by the way, is serving as a police sergeant. And how does a man survive a hit and kill himself days later? Now, informants are exposed, witnesses are left unprotected, and silence is enforced with bullets. What are your thoughts?